My name is Riam Dos Reyes and welcome to my documentary Daily Life, vlog number 1 as a delivery rider. Good morning. I wake up at 4:30 in the morning because our first duty time in is 5:30 to 5:45 in the morning, right? Before we fix our self for going to duty is we got some coffee. Nice. I got my coffee and after finish drinking this coffee, I fix myself what I bring for my duty and also we fix our hygiene. And I use for my skin is the bar soap, a bar soap for my skincare. And now we're done to fixing ourselves and go to the first work in this morning delivery rider. And before we go, we check our motorcycle, the brakes, the signal lights, the horn, and the condition of our motorcycle. And we came out from our house at 5 a.m. in the morning because we'll start our delivery for this morning at 6 a.m. in the morning. And now it's 6 a.m. in the morning, so we deliver this quickly because some our delivery for this morning is breakfast for our customer. And good morning again. We are the last part of our delivery this morning. We are now at Ciudades bypass road from Indangan to Mandug, Davao City. As you can see, it's a beautiful bypass road, and you see the beautiful wonderful nature of Mount Apo. All right, I finished my job in this morning. A first job, a delivery rider. And I stopped over here in some places that the beautiful places, a nature place, right? And I've got some bread and water to feed my stomach because I'm so hungry. Because there are so many bookings after this. Break time is done, another sideline, another work out there, and but I forget I'm standing right now at bypass road, Mandug to Indangan, Indangan to Mandug. So if you live in Mandug or Indangan, you can use this bypass road. No hassle, no hazard, and also no traffic. And let's go. And hello again, welcome to my documentary daily vlog as a delivery rider, and that's my work. And right now I am in my house. We need to change clothes because while ago my clothes smells bad. We need to change the clothes because we are the frontliner and we care about our personal hygiene. It's 11 a.m. in the morning. We are in the Bukid right now, a place of Indangan, Davao City. We got some parcel here to pick up, as usual, pick up and delivery to our client. It's 1 p.m. in the afternoon and we are here at Crocodile Park, Davao City. And it's time to lunch because my stomach is struggling finding a food, and we stay here for a while for take our food to become full again, and after that another duty, right? That was so good, man. You know, I have something to share for you as a delivery rider. It's hard to become a delivery rider when you first met or a first timer because you memorize the traffic signs, the violation road, the road signs, and also the address of the customers, right? That was my experience before, my first experience as a delivery rider. But for now, it's not easy, but I memorize or handle this job easy, right? But not all the time, because I handle this job for 5 years, right, as a delivery rider. Before I went to my last delivery, I saw a rider out of gas, and I helped the co-rider because it's just of us riders helping each other in the road. Alright, we got last delivery for today. One box of RTW, and also this one in the bag, documents delivery also to the customers. And the weather was bad, so we fixed this right now because the weather was to start raining. And that's for today. Duty done, delivery done, and we are now at Catalunan, we call Catalunan Pequeño subdivision, our last delivery for today. We keep grinding and grinding because there are so many credits to pay. Sorry to tell you that. Alright. And now we got some rest, and also thank you for watching, and welcome to my documentary daily life. My name is Riam de los Reyes. Say goodbye and have a nice day. God bless us all. Thank you. In life, keep grind, love what you do, trust the process, and the results will come.